I'm using this Kajal pencil from Kiko Milano. Just have to apply this Kajal pencil on your eyelids. And then with the eyeshadow blending brush, you just have to blend it all over your eyes.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight.
And if you want to make it look more dark, you can just apply it again.
Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight.
And you are done. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm just applying the kajal on my lids. Make sure when you are applying the kajal, you don't spread it all over. Like, you don't have to apply the kajal on all over the eyes, otherwise it will get too much. So you just have to apply it a little bit on the eyelids, and then you have to spread it with a blending brush.
Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Talk to me. We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me?
If you want, you can apply it on your lower lash line as well. I'm applying whatever product left in the brush. Not taking any more product, I'm just applying whatever is left in the brush. And that's it. It's done. That's how you do a smoky eye with a kajal pencil. To finish my eyes, I'm gonna use some mascara. I'm using this one from Faces Canada. It is Faces Canada Magnet Eyes. And your eyes are done.